Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Daily Goodie Box unboxing for the month of August. If you're not familiar with Daily Goodie Box, it's free to join. You set up a profile, and if you're selected, you get a free box of goodies. They only ask that you review them after you receive them. So super simple, and they do give away boxes on their social media, so I will link all that information below in the description box so you can follow them. So the first item this month is Bubba's Fine Food. This is kettle cooked Nana chips in Grand Garlic Parm is the flavor. So it says it's surprising low sugar banana that tastes like a potato chip. That's very interesting. I've had obviously banana chips before, but not like a garlic parm flavor, so very cool. Excited for that. Also have, kind of came open, but a little box of shortbread cookies. I love shortbread cookies. Those look awesome. Big bag in there. Then we have, oh, nutritional yeast. Cool. So I actually had a recipe that called for some of this, and I couldn't find it anywhere in the grocery store, so I ended up never making it. I don't even remember what it was anymore. But this is supposed to be what vegans use. I'm sure you use it for other things, but it tastes like cheese, so they kind of use that as like a cheese powder substitute. So pretty cool. So I don't know if it says on here what to use it for. Oh, sprinkle on top of hot popcorn, garlic bread, stir into smoothies. You can use as seasoning for salads, salad dressing, soups, dips, casseroles, and so much more. Very cool. I'll try to locate that recipe that I needed it for and try that. That's exciting. Also have a Mocha chip hemp bar. 12 grams of protein. Cool. I love protein bars, always trying different ones. Also have some fish oil supplements, classic strength, vibrant health for heart, brain, immunity, skin, and joints. Very cool. Looks like they give back too. Yeah. They help sea life, save a reef. Very nice. We also have dry Rainier Cherry. So this is some kind of sparkling, oh, it says naturally flavored soda. So it's carbonated water with some sugar and flavorings in it. So that's really cool. Definitely right up my alley. Would love to try that. A few more things in here. We have heel balm for rough, dry feet. I can definitely use that. My heels are terrible, and this says it's clinically proven and you have visible results in 3 days. Very, very cool. Then there's a few little sample packets. A few little packets of an After Sun facial moisturizer with green tea and oat. Calms, hydrates, and refreshes. So 2 little packets of that. And then a lot of times we do get coupons and some other information about the products. So here's one for Bubbas, 30% off, Foods Live, coupon code for the After Sun skincare, and then some more information about the fish oil. So very cool. If you guys would like to sign up on their website, I'll put all the information in the description box. If you want to see past boxes, I also have a playlist, and I will leave that at the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.